Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Today is going to be actually a productive day क्योंकि आज हम करने वाले हैं मेरी desk की cleaning. I think in 2022 this is the first time I'm uploading like a cleaning video where I'm doing my desk cleaning because ये साल तो मैंने कुछ किया नहीं. I remember doing it probably in November, but then after that I haven't really touched it and it's a mess. Like कुछ ज़्यादा ही सामान हो गया. I have to declutter. I have to throw away things that are not working and it's going to be a really productive day. Firstly तो मतलब it's not my week off. I don't have a holiday today and उसके ऊपर से I have to go to work in the evening around 7 o'clock. शाम को मुझे जाना है. So still I am taking the initiative to go ahead and do this cleaning. That is because I don't know. Okay, I think I'm getting a call या फिर कुछ तो है तो मुझे वो लेना पड़ेगा in my other phone. Yeah. So I just took the call. It was actually an important call anyway. So yeah, I was saying today we're gonna be इतना सब कुछ है फिर भी I wanted to clean it because I wanted to get done with it. And over here, if you see, I've applied some treatment because I don't know why अचानक से एक ही रात में I got like 3 pimples over here, and I'm also done with my periods. Still I'm getting it, so probably I think कुछ तो होगा. So I've applied some treatment and then I'm gonna apply some hair mask as well and clean and then take a shower, and I want to sleep around 4 or 3 या 4 बजे तक I'll sleep and then उसके बाद I will go to work. So there are so many things that I have to do. Also I have like 7-8 packages जो मैंने खुद मंगवाए थे and couple of them are from brands. So उसको भी ठीक करना है because my mom is yelling at me कि please clean your room. It's filled with a lot of packages. So we're going to be doing that and I'll take you guys along. So I'm starting off with first cleaning my desk, top of the desk where I keep all of my pencils and everything. Now this was a mess क्योंकि everything was cluttered, markers, sketch pens, gel pens, color pens, everything was mixed up, even the highlighters. So now I'm just trying out all of these things and putting it properly so that I know which item is working and which one will go where, because it just gets too cluttered up if everything is mixed up, and then while you're using them also you really can't find all of the items easily. So that's why I wanted to first ensure that all of the items are working and are good, and then and only I'll decide to keep them. This was a very tedious procedure. It took like 20 to 30 minutes, like हर एक pen को check करना and then ensure if it is working or not. After that, I was organizing them in this Girl Boss organizer, which I got from Amazon. I'll link it down below. It's really nice and easy to, it looks pretty and it's quite easy. Like you don't have to set it up or anything. And there are multiple different options available in this. Instead of Girl Boss, there's a Hustle one. Then there's another one like Confidence or Believe, something like that. And you can get 3 different colors also, like white, black, I think purple or pink, something like that. I went for the teal one because my desk also has some teal color, so I went ahead and got that one. Then of course I had like a bunch of different, like in this there are post-it notes, sharpeners, pencils, notebooks, so many different random things. So basically organizing all of that as well. Now removing everything and then the cleaning of drawers and all was quite tedious, but it's important that you clean it every now and then. And if you watch my videos regularly, you would know I tend to clean my desk and other things like every 2 to 3 months, because that's what keeps me sane. If I won't clean things now, then I'll go mad. So yeah, that's very important. Over here, these books are all unused books, like new books. So I'm just ensuring if everything is properly and if I need to throw away anything or something like that. So after I organized all of these book sections and journals, I had a bunch of random things like, new pens, stationery items, a lot of papers, cash stuffing, refills, and all of that. So I had to organize them as well. Now by now I think it was around 1:30 or 12:30ish somewhere, and I thought that, you know, in between I'll go ahead and even apply a hair mask because I wanted to wash my hair. And if you saw my hair in the starting of the video, it was so bad and it was very, very messy. So I thought of, you know, pampering myself, because anyway I was going to work throughout the day, so I rather, you know, do some pampering. So over here I just went ahead and applied some hair mask. So first I just detangled my hair, and then I went ahead and used the Lotus Botanicals Red Onion Total Repair Hair Mask. So it's great to reduce hair fall and make your hair super beautiful. So what I'm doing is I'm scooping in a little bit of this hair mask and then just using it normally on my hair lengths, and I concentrated more on the lengths and not on the roots. And it acts like a conditioning mask as well as something that'll help you repair and strengthen your damaged hair. And the smell of this hair mask is so much better than any other ordinary hair mask, and I'm religiously applying it throughout all of my hair lengths, and I'm going to be keeping it for around 15 to 20 minutes on my hair, and then after that I'll go ahead and wash my hair as well. So make sure you watch this video completely, because at the end I'll show you guys how my hair looks after the wash. So this is the Lotus Botanicals Red Onion Total Repair Hair Mask, which is enriched with, of course, natural red onion oil and ginseng root extracts that helps you strengthen your hair roots and reduces hair fall. At the same time, it helps repair damage and retain natural hair as well. After I apply this hair mask, my hair feels so soft and lustrous. Trust me, it's like very, very beautiful. This is also sulfate free, silicone free, and synthetic color free, and it can be used for all hair types. I really like the texture of this product. It is super creamy and easy to apply on the hair. That's why it just makes the entire product application so easy. And the best part is, after effects of this hair mask is so good. You can see how beautiful my hair looks. You should definitely go ahead and try this Lotus Botanicals Red Onion Hair Mask. I'll link it down below. So after applying the hair mask, I went ahead and made myself some coffee. So recently I'd got this new coffee I'd ordered. It's from this brand called Rage, and it's their vanilla bubblegum. I myself a cup of black coffee so that I am a bit energized, and then I went ahead and started with my other desk cleaning, because still a lot of it was left and I had to ensure that I clean it. So I was just organizing like my post-it notes, stickers, and or like these loose papers. So I was just doing that. So yeah, then I was just keeping all of these new markers and sketch pens together. And then after cleaning, finally I was putting back everything properly. Like, this was my planner and journal affirmation section, so just ensuring that I'm keeping everything properly. And by this time it was almost like late afternoon, and I then went ahead and took a shower, and of course I slept immediately because I had to go to work in the evening, and already so many things were happening. I was just like, I need to rest, otherwise I won't be able to even work at night. So then I remembered there's also one more drawer that I needed to clean. It's like a little cupboard section, and this was filled with so many memorable items. So first I removed everything from this little cupboard or drawer, and then I found a bunch of my old drawings and a bunch of old photos and all. So I spent like literally 30-40 minutes just sitting down and revisiting those memories. Let me know if this happens a lot, like when you're decluttering and then you find something old, you literally just sit there and start reminiscing all those memories. So that is what I was doing. So first I removed everything from here, and then again I wiped the entire cupboard. So these were some drawings that I found. These are very old drawings. I think probably like 3-4 years old. Earlier I used to draw a lot. If you watch like very extremely old videos of mine, you might find them. And these are just random drawings that I would do like freehand style. So I was just going through them and reminiscing a lot of memories. Like I've spent hours and hours in just like, creating them, and it's very fun. Like it's very satisfaction that you get, at the end. Then I went ahead and organized all of this, and my complete desk was clean and organized. So this was the video, guys. I hope you all find it helpful and even you guys are motivated to clean your desk. I will see you guys in my next video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel.